Cooling down after physical activity is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and performance. When you finish exercising, your body needs time to gradually return to its resting state. This process helps prevent dizziness, muscle stiffness, and even potential injuries. By making cooling down a consistent part of your routine, you support better recovery and prepare your body for future workouts. In this video, we'll explore a simple, effective system to help you cool down properly every time, so you can feel your best and stay active longer. A cool down is more than just stopping your activity. It's a gradual process that allows your heart rate and breathing to return to normal. This transition phase helps your body clear out metabolic waste, like lactic acid, which can build up during exercise and cause soreness. By cooling down, you also give your muscles a chance to relax and lengthen, reducing the risk of cramps and tightness. Let's break down the steps you can follow to make cooling down a consistent and easy habit. The first step in any cool down is to gradually reduce the intensity of your activity. If you've been running, slow to a jog, then a walk. If you've been cycling, ease off the pedals and coast for a few minutes. This gentle decrease in movement helps your heart rate and breathing slow down safely. It also signals to your body that it's time to shift from high energy output to recovery mode. Spend about 5 minutes on this step, adjusting the time based on how intense your workout was. After slowing down, move into gentle stretching. Focus on the major muscle groups you use during your workout. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and never forcing your body into discomfort. Stretching helps your muscles relax, improves flexibility, and can reduce post-exercise soreness. Make this part of your routine to keep your body limber and ready for your next activity. Incorporate deep breathing into your cool down. This helps calm your nervous system and brings more oxygen to your muscles, aiding recovery. Try inhaling deeply through your nose, holding for a few seconds, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for several breaths, focusing on relaxing your body with each exhale. Deep breathing not only helps your body recover, but also reduces stress and promotes a sense of well-being. Don't forget to hydrate after your workout. Drinking water helps replace fluids lost through sweat and supports your body's recovery process. If your exercise was particularly intense or lasted a long time, consider a drink with electrolytes. Proper hydration helps prevent muscle cramps and keeps your energy levels stable. Make it a habit to sip water during and after your cool down for best results. Take a moment to reflect on your workout. Notice how your body feels, acknowledge your effort, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Mindful reflection helps you stay motivated and aware of your progress. It's also a great way to mentally transition from exercise back to your daily routine. This simple step can make your cool down more meaningful and consistent. The real secret to effective cooling down is consistency. By making these steps a regular part of your routine, you'll notice improvements in how you feel after workouts and in your overall performance. Consistency helps your body adapt and recover more efficiently, reducing the risk of injury and burnout. Remember, even on days when you're short on time, a brief cool down is better than skipping it altogether. Let's recap the simple system for cooling down. Slow down your movement, stretch gently, practice deep breathing, hydrate, and reflect mindfully. Each step is designed to help your body and mind recover, so you're ready for whatever comes next. By following this system, you'll make cooling down easy and automatic, no matter what type of activity you do. Cooling down offers a range of benefits. It helps lower your heart rate safely, reduces muscle soreness, and improves flexibility. You'll also recover faster and feel more energized for your next workout. Making cooling down a habit supports long-term health and keeps you motivated to stay active. Let's look at each benefit in a bit more detail. When you finish exercising, your heart is still pumping faster than usual. Cooling down gradually helps bring your heart rate back to normal in a safe and controlled way. This reduces the risk of feeling lightheaded or dizzy and helps your cardiovascular system adjust smoothly. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in how you feel after activity. Muscle soreness after exercise is common, but a proper cool down can help minimize it. By stretching and moving gently, you help your muscles release tension and clear out waste products. This means you'll feel less stiff and more comfortable in the hours and days after your workout. It's a small investment of time for a big payoff in comfort. Consistent stretching during your cool down helps improve your flexibility over time. Flexible muscles are less prone to injury and help you move more freely in daily life. By making stretching a habit, you'll notice gradual improvements in your range of motion, making all your activities easier and more enjoyable. A good cool down helps your body recover faster by promoting blood flow and reducing muscle fatigue. This means you'll be ready for your next workout sooner and with less discomfort. Faster recovery also helps you stay consistent with your exercise routine, which is key for long-term progress. Cooling down isn't just about your body, it's good for your mind too. Taking a few moments to breathe deeply and reflect can help reduce stress and improve your mood. This mental reset can make your workouts more enjoyable and help you carry a positive attitude into the rest of your day. Many people skip the cool down or rush through it, thinking it's not important. Others may stretch too aggressively or forget to hydrate. These mistakes can lead to unnecessary soreness, increased risk of injury, and slower recovery. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can make sure your cool down is safe and effective every time. A proper cool down doesn't have to take long. 5 to 10 minutes is usually enough for most workouts. If you've done something especially intense, you might need a bit more time. The key is to listen to your body and adjust as needed. Even a brief cool down is better than none at all. The best time to cool down is immediately after you finish your main activity. Don't wait until later, as your body needs the transition right away. Making it a seamless part of your routine helps ensure you never forget this important step. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or lifting weights, the basic cool down steps remain the same. Adjust the stretches and movements to target the muscles you used most. This flexibility makes the system easy to apply to any activity, so you can stay consistent no matter what you enjoy doing. Everyone's body is different, so feel free to adapt the cool down system to suit your needs. If you have tight areas or past injuries, spend extra time on those spots. If you're short on time, focus on the most important steps. The goal is to make cooling down work for you, not the other way around. You don't need fancy equipment to cool down, but some simple tools can help. A yoga mat provides comfort for stretching, while a foam roller can help release muscle tension. Keep a water bottle handy for hydration. These tools make your cool down more comfortable and effective. For your legs, try stretches like the standing quad stretch, hamstring stretch, and calf stretch. Hold each position gently, feeling a mild tension but no pain. These stretches help release tightness in the muscles most commonly used during running, cycling, or walking. For your upper body, include stretches like the shoulder stretch, tricep stretch, and chest opener. These moves are especially helpful after activities like swimming, rowing, or weightlifting. Remember to breathe deeply and move slowly through each stretch. Don't forget your back. Try gentle twists, child's pose, or cat-cow stretches to release tension in your spine and lower back. These stretches are great for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting or doing activities that strain the back. Try different breathing techniques during your cool down. Diaphragmatic breathing, where you breathe deeply into your belly, can be especially calming. Box breathing, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, helps regulate your nervous system. Experiment to find what feels best for you. To stay properly hydrated, drink water before, during, and after your workout. If you sweat a lot, consider drinks with added electrolytes. Avoid sugary or caffeinated beverages, as they can dehydrate you. Keeping a water bottle nearby makes it easy to remember this important step. The easiest way to make cooling down a habit is to attach it to your workout routine. Treat it as the final step, just like you would with warming up. Over time, it will become second nature, and you'll start to notice the benefits without even thinking about it. Keep track of your cool down routine in a journal or fitness app. Note how you feel after each session and any improvements you notice over time. Tracking helps you stay motivated and makes it easier to spot patterns or areas for improvement. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after your cool down. If something doesn't feel right, adjust your routine. Your body knows best, and tuning in helps you avoid injury and get the most out of your recovery. Cooling down is important for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Kids, adults, and seniors all benefit from a proper cool down. Adjust the intensity and duration to match your needs, but never skip this step. If you exercise with others, try cooling down together. Group cool downs can be motivating and help everyone stay consistent. Plus, it's a great way to connect and support each other's progress. When exercising in hot weather, cooling down is even more important. Move to a shaded or cooler area, drink plenty of water, and take extra time to let your body temperature return to normal. This helps prevent overheating and keeps you safe. In cold weather, keep moving gently during your cool down to stay warm. Change into dry clothes as soon as possible and drink something warm if needed. This helps your body recover without getting chilled. If you have a medical condition or injury, talk to your doctor or physical therapist about the best way to cool down. They can help you adapt the system to your needs and ensure you recover safely. You know you've cooled down properly when your heart rate and breathing return to normal, your muscles feel relaxed, and you feel calm and refreshed. If you still feel tense or out of breath, spend a little more time on your cool down next time. Avoid stopping suddenly after intense exercise, as this can cause dizziness or fainting. Don't skip hydration or rush through your stretches. Taking your time ensures your body recovers safely and effectively. Here's a sample routine. 5 minutes of slow walking, followed by 5 minutes of gentle stretching for your legs, back, and arms. Finish with 2 minutes of deep breathing and a big glass of water. This simple routine covers all the basics and can be adjusted to fit your needs. Imagine your cool down as a flow: slow movement, stretching, breathing, hydration, and reflection. Each step flows into the next, creating a smooth transition from exercise to rest. Visualizing this process helps you remember and follow the system every time. Recovery is the process your body goes through after physical activity to repair, rebuild, and prepare for the next challenge. A proper cool down is a key part of recovery, helping your muscles, heart, and mind return to their baseline state. By prioritizing recovery, you support long-term health and performance. Consistency means doing something regularly and reliably. When it comes to cooling down, consistency is what turns a good habit into a lasting one. By cooling down after every workout, you build a routine that supports your health and fitness goals. Flexibility is your muscles' ability to stretch and move through their full range of motion. Regular stretching during your cool down improves flexibility, making movement easier and reducing the risk of injury. It's a key benefit of a consistent cool down routine. Hydration is the process of providing your body with enough fluids to function properly. After exercise, hydration helps replace what you've lost through sweat and supports muscle recovery. Making hydration part of your cool down keeps you feeling your best. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. During your cool down, practicing mindfulness helps you tune into your body, notice how you feel, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. It's a simple way to boost both physical and mental recovery. Adaptability is your ability to adjust your routine to fit your needs and circumstances. Whether you're short on time, dealing with an injury, or changing activities, being adaptable ensures you always get the benefits of a proper cool down. To wrap up, cooling down properly and consistently is a simple yet powerful way to support your health, prevent injuries, and feel your best after every workout. By following the easy system we've outlined, slow movement, stretching, deep breathing, hydration, and reflection, you'll make recovery a natural part of your routine. Stick with it, and you'll notice the benefits in no time.